Today we have the 2019 Mitsubishi L200. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full leather. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we have key features such as GPS and Bluetooth audio and smartphone integration and apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. The L200 also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from.